Many of you may have heard that yesterday we had an operational engagement to which one of our aircraft was downed. And since yesterday, we've been looking for the pilot. But thankfully, this morning, we have had him rescued. And of course, he is right here in Kaduna and on his way, of course, about now for further medical checkup. And I had to, speak with him. And so the time it took me to have him flown in and then to speak to our officers who were engaged in the operation and to have a very detailed chat with him was what led to the slight delay that we now have. So thankfully we have him. It was the downing of the aircraft was due to the banditry action. And but thankfully, as a trained pilot, fighter pilot, he was able to leave off the land, and of course, the other measures that were put in place enabled him to be rescued. I thought I'd also use the opportunity to indicate that the very essence of this gathering, which is of course to engage with you, and by extension the larger society, is partly what was responsible for the safe return of our cherished pilot. So we thank God and we believe that going forward, that greater